G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a Dell Latitude 5440, also with the model number P165G. This one here has been the recipient of some drop damage, so I'm going to take the bottom cover off to be able to put that back properly. But while we're there, we might as well see what can be upgraded on this. Now, so far those screws are happy to stay. So the screws are undoing, but they're not leaving the bottom cover. That is perfectly normal on this particular model of laptop and some other brands of laptops, mainly Dell's. It's handy when the screws stay in because then they don't fall off the table. Go. So from here, should be able to pop this off. Just using a thin plastic pry tool. Go. One bottom cover off, and that I should be able to push back in just like that, and then put some glue on the inside of that. It should hopefully hold. Have a look around here. What do we see? We see one battery to disconnect, which I'll just do that now. Tabs on it do seem slightly different, but I think this is just a pull up method. Yep. That just pulls up and releases. Right now my camera's just going a little bit flat, so hopefully I can get to it before it switches off. Move that cord out of the way, and we're good. Let's continue. With the battery disconnected, next up I can see one replaceable fan, which has got this cover on it. Makes it look like a rounded square. Very odd. We have one CMOS battery. Going to assume we charge up via Type C, which is over here. So Type C is there. Do have a replacement Wi-Fi card over here, which is a AX211NGW Intel card. And we do have a very baby, what size of these ones, if memory serves me right? I believe they're 2230 sized NVMe's. And we have 2 sticks of RAM here. If we pull these tabs out here, it releases the RAM like so. Grab it in the corners and pull it up. And what have we got? We have 8 gig of DDR4 3200, which is pretty much what I was expecting. Do take note of where the notch is here, to here, and to here. You have to line those up. When you stick your RAM, put it on about a 45-degree angle and pull down. So that's in there. Bit of bounce to it, just push it down, clicks in. Same over here. Releases up, and we can see the RAM, same size. No surprises there. Push down. Next up is the NVMe drive over here. I'm curious to see what this one is. And 2. We have one very little baby Western Digital in here, which is a SN740. This is a 256 gig model. This would be something like what you would find in a Steam Deck or a ROG Ally, or if you use some form of adapter, possibly in an Xbox Series S and X expansion storage on the back of it. That should just kind of push in and forward. There we go. This has still got the thermal pad on here. Should go under there and push down. Those 2 screws go back in. This one here is more critical, so it doesn't slide out. And then this one over here. While we're here, I'll just do a brief overview of the whole board for you guys. Won't really cover too much, but you may see something if you're doing a repair. If we go down the front here, we have one battery with the model number R73TC. Now I'm going to push that battery connector back on, like so. And I'm just going to put some glue on the cover and put that back on. Just use some B7000 frame adhesive on here, just to hopefully give it a bit more rigidity, or at least stop it from flexing anymore. Now if I flip this over, push down, like so. Go, and just clamping it around. There we go. Should be making crunching sounds like that all around. Next up, start tightening up those screws. Anyway, that covers exactly what I needed to do today with the Latitude 5440. Hope this covered some potential upgrades that you may need to do, be it memory or storage. I mean, there's not many other upgrades you can do. Anyway, 1, 2, ta-ta and farewell. Bye.